How to find trending content on YouTube. This tutorial explains why the trending page is gone and what you can do instead. First, let's talk about why the trending option has disappeared. This isn't a bug or an app issue on your end. YouTube officially discontinued the trending page after noticing a steady decline in visits to it over the past few years. Most users were already finding popular content through personalized recommendations, search, and other platform features, so YouTube decided to remove the dedicated trending section entirely. As you can see on screen, this change is confirmed, and there's no way to get the old trending page back. Following this, if you still want to find popular content on YouTube, the closest alternative is through the Explore section. From here, open the YouTube app on your Android device and tap the YouTube icon at the top left of the screen. After that, you'll see a few options like YouTube Music, YouTube Kids, and other services. These are the official alternatives YouTube now points users toward for discovering content. From there, head back to the main feed and use the category tabs at the top of the home screen to browse popular content in specific areas like gaming, music, news, or sports. Finally, the Search tab is also a great way to discover what's trending. Type in any topic and sort results by relevance or upload date to see what's currently popular in that category. That's how you find trending content on YouTube now. If this helped, give it a like